So this is a Crown Reach truck. This is the steer motor. We're going to replace this hose. So I removed the old hose, and as you can see, there's damage right there. Might be hard to see, but he was rubbing up on something and it finally just gave loose. So that's where your leak was. So let's just install a new hose. There's the old hose on the ground. Then here's a new hose. So let's go ahead and install. So now we got the bottom hose on, snug tight. Now let's do the top. And we're going to attach the top hose to this fitting right here. Let's zoom in. So that's the top fitting for the top hose. We tighten it down, power it up, and then test it, check for leaks. So let's power the truck up. So on the foot pedal, turn the steering, let's check for leaks. Let's zoom in, turn the steering again. Check the top. No leaks. Say we're all good. So we got the tire straight. And pretty much what we did was just replace this hose on the reverse side of your steering. Run it on up. Make sure it doesn't hit the sides. Because this here shaft, this here brake rotor will turn. So you gotta make sure we got clearance. My hand can get through there, so that's good. And it's attached to that lower steering unit. So that is typically how you replace a hose for a steer motor. So we'll go ahead and close the doors. Put the top back on. That's it. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Questions, comments, concerns, and again, thanks for watching.